Hi guys, it's 5:02 p.m. the afternoon on June 25 and 24. So I write a song and I just want to spread it out to other people to hear the song that I made. It's a Tagalog song and wala pa itong title. Maybe after you hear the song that I made ay matulungan mo na mabuo yung title. And I have a verse and a chorus pa lang. So ibig sabihin hindi pa siya tapos. So it goes like this. Ito ako ngayon, nag-iisa, di makausap, di makausap. Sa sitwasyon ngayon, nagtataka ba't ganon? Laging talo, di nananalo. Paano ba sasabihin? Di maamin. Paano ba aangkin? Hindi sa akin, ako na lang. So, ganun pa lang siya. And I hope you like it. Thank you.